as you can see, these come from manufacturers and all these wastes are already pre-put in because it's a special waste for this, for outlet. But if you look down here, come here camera, can you see that? That is silicone. So that has come from the manufacturers. Silicone. So I don't want any of you bellends going on about silicone on traps because this is from the manufacturers. Even the manufacturers don't trust their own washers. What's that say? What does that say? This is what I keep telling people. It is like educating. A what?
Pog.
A pog. Do you know what I mean? This speaks volume. Always silicone your traps. Always silicone your waste. Always silicone because look, even the manufacturers don't trust their own rubbers. Bish bash bosh. Facts, not fiction. Facts, not fiction. MJC Kitchens and Bathroom. Don't forget to like, share and follow.